Assalamu alaikum.
Join us for an exciting quiz video on the Seerah, life, of Prophet Muhammad. Peace be upon him and the teachings of Islam.
The second version of Prophet's lineage traces beyond Adnan to which prophet? Abraham, Ibrahim. Which lineage version is described as subject to controversies and doubt? Beyond Adnan to Abraham. The third version of Prophet's lineage traces beyond Abraham to which person? Prophet Adam. In the lineage given, who was Abdul Muttalib also known as? Shaiba. What was Hashim's original first name? Ahmad. In the genealogy listed, who was also called Al-Mughira? Abd Manaf. Who in the lineage was also known as Zayd? Qusay. Which ancestor was called Quraish and had a tribe named after him? Fahr bin Malik. Who was known as Amir in the genealogy? Mudrika. Through which son of Abraham is Prophet Muhammad's lineage traced? Ishmael. In the lineage beyond Abraham, who is identified as Prophet Idris? Akhnak. How many sons did Hashim have? Four sons. Which of the following was not a son of Hashim? Abu Talib. What was the name of Hashim's father? Abdul Muttalib. Why was Amr given the name Hashim? He used to break bread into broth. Which practice did Hashim initiate for the Quraysh? Two journeys, summer and winter. In which city did Hashim die? Gaza, Palestine. In what year AD did Hashim die? Year 497 AD. How many daughters did Abdul Muttalib have? Six daughters. Which daughter of Abdul Muttalib was known as the only white one? Al-Hakim. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for daily video Seerah. Quranic Arabic. Like, share and hit the bell.